Hey everyone, welcome back to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious tropical smoothie bowl. This is a wonderful, easy vegan breakfast idea that is great for a lazy Sunday morning, but can also be taken on the go if you're in a rush. It's loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, which supports a healthy immune system and also supports healthy skin and eyes. Let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need for this smoothie bowl are some unsweetened cashew yogurt, a little bit of vanilla, some light coconut milk, chia seeds, some medjool dates, some pineapple and orange, some frozen mango, and about 1/3 cup of cashews. For this recipe, you're definitely going to need a decent blender. I really researched whether or not I wanted to spend the money on a Vitamix before I bought it. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and reviews, and I have to admit, if my house was on fire, I would save the Vitamix. But I know not everybody is in the market for that level of blender. So in the description below, I will link a blender that's under $100 that I bought for my niece that does an excellent job of making smoothies and juices and smoothie bowls. The secret to getting a super smooth smoothie bowl is to add your chunky ingredients in the bottom. We're gonna start by adding 1/3 cup of raw pre-soaked cashews. Next, we're gonna add a heaping cup of frozen mango, 1/2 of a peeled orange, 2 pitted medjool dates, 1 cup of fresh or canned pineapple. I like canned pineapple because, again, you can keep it on hand and make these anytime. 1/4 cup of light coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cashew yogurt. The best thing about this smoothie bowl is if you don't have any of those ingredients, improvise. If you don't have dates, you can use maple syrup or agave. If you don't have an orange, you can use orange juice. To blend our smoothie, we want to start on our low speed and gradually turn it up, and then blend it on high for just about 30 seconds. As is, this smoothie bowl has about 15 grams of protein, but if you want a more protein-rich breakfast, just add in a scoop of protein powder. If you want a thinner smoothie that you can drink on the go, add a little bit more coconut milk. I'm gonna show you how I love to top it, but you can have fun topping it with whatever you want. I love to add a little bit of my delicious homemade granola for some crunch. Then I like to add a delicious sliced kiwi. And finally, because we're in the tropics, we're gonna sprinkle a little dash of coconut. Here's a secret. I don't even like mango, but I love this tropical smoothie bowl. It's an easy vegan breakfast idea, and you can make it extra protein rich. It's fast, it's delicious, and even little kids will love it. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Stanley's banging on the window. Come on, Stan. Come on. Hurry up. Oh, Stan. Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now?